Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a background of bedroom and adjust it. Bring a floor in PNG and adjust it. Apply exposure and color lock and adjust its values. Bring a girl in PNG and adjust it. Apply exposure, level and color balance and adjust its values. Bring a earth in PNG and make copy of it and put dot blend mood linear dodge add. Make a new copy of earth and apply blur effect on it. Take new layer and brush with light blue and put blend mood to dot hard light with low opacity. Take new layer on girl and brush with light blue and put blend mood to dot overlay. Take another layer on girl and brush with light blue and put blend mood to color bomb. Take new layer under girl and brush with black to make shadow. Make a copy of girl, put hue saturation and blur effect to make shadow. Bring a particle image and put blend mood to screen. Apply hue saturation and adjust its values. Put a mask on particle layer and start brushing to remove some parts. Click on mask of exposure of background and start brushing. Apply color lock of night form decubé with low opacity. Thank you for watching.